When a term is not defined in the National Electrical Code, also known as the NEC, there are specific resources one should consult in a particular order. Firstly, consider other relevant electrical codes and standards. These include organizations such as the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, often called i.e. the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, and Underwriters Laboratories, known as URL. Secondly, technical dictionaries are invaluable resources. Examples include the IEE Dictionary of Electrical and Electronics Terms and the McGraw-Hill Dictionary of Scientific and Technical Terms. Thirdly, general dictionaries can be helpful when more specialized resources do not provide sufficient clarity. Examples of general dictionaries are Webster's and Oxford dictionaries. The NEC primary focus is on establishing safety requirements and not on providing an exhaustive collection of technical definitions. However, Article 100.1 of the NEC does include definitions for certain key terms essential for understanding and applying the code. For instance, the term grounding electrode is not explicitly defined within the NEC itself. However, you can find its definition in the IEE Dictionary of Electrical and Electronics Terms. It states that a grounding electrode is a conductive body used to establish an electrical connection, whether intentional or accidental, between an electrical circuit or equipment and the earth, or some conducting body that serves in place of the earth. If, after consulting these resources, a term remains undefined or unclear, contacting the National Fire Protection Association, often known as the NFPA, for clarification is advisable. The NFPA is responsible for developing and maintaining the NEC. While the NEC serves as a crucial resource for electrical safety, it does not provide definitions for every conceivable term. It defers to other relevant codes and standards for more comprehensive definitions, so it is important to use those codes and standards. The process involves checking other relevant electrical codes and standards such as IEE, ANSI, and UL first. If that does not work, consult technical dictionaries like the IEE Dictionary of Electrical and Electronics Terms and the McGraw-Hill Dictionary of Scientific and Technical Terms. Finally, if those do not define the term, consult general dictionaries. If a term is not defined anywhere, contact the NFPA for clarification. The NEC is a critical document for ensuring electrical safety, but it is not a comprehensive dictionary of electrical terms. The definition of the term grounding electrode as a conductive body used to establish an electrical connection, whether intentional or accidental, between an electrical circuit or equipment and the earth, or some conducting body that serves in place of the earth, highlights the need to consult external sources for comprehensive technical definitions not covered by the NEC itself. The NEC scope is primarily focused on safety regulations, and Article 100.1 provides only essential definitions, referring to other established standards and codes for in-depth terminology. If a term is absent from both the NEC and related resources, reaching out to the NFPA for clarification ensures consistent interpretation and application of electrical standards.